two good ways of holding carving tools. Ones I call a low angle grip, where the tool looks something like this when it's held, and a high angle grip, where the tool comes in higher to the wood and is held something like this. The grips, the way you hold the carving tools is really important, and you can tell that from the way tennis players and golfers, pianists, violin players, they all practice their grips. So these grips for carving tools are characterised by 5 qualities. They're safe, in other words, you're not going to cut yourself, and in these grips your hands, your body and everything is well behind the cutting edge and you can't cut yourself. I never cut myself carving with these grips, so they're perfectly safe. The second thing is that these grips have a low stress. I can carve a long time with these grips without getting tired, without getting muscle fatigue or stress in my joints. They also give me a lot of control. That's a third factor of a good carving grip. I can make the tool pretty much do what I want. I use the tool to make the cuts and very happy with the results. The fourth thing is that these tools are very efficient. In other words, I can make the cut go a long way. I can produce a lot of wood, remove a lot of wood, get a lot of effect for a small amount of effort. And fifthly, they're very adaptable. I can adjust my hand position, my body position, my fingers and so on to deal with lots of different needs that I have when I'm carving. So these 2 grips, you'll see me develop them and give you some exercises and so on. If you've been carving before, you don't use these grips, please give them a go. You can either watch these clips individually, totally, they add up to about half an hour, so you can watch them as a whole and then go off and practice. So enjoy, and hopefully they'll give your carving a big boost. You'll be able to carve really well using these 2 very good grips.